Hi everyone, welcome back to English Storydays. I'm so happy you are here with me today because we are going to talk about something that can truly transform the way you connect with others and also how you learn. This video is all about why listening is important and not just in life or relationships, but especially in how you learn English. If you are someone who has been trying to speak better English, improve your fluency, or feel more confident when talking, then this video is for you because here is something many people don't realize. The best English speakers are not just good talkers, they are good listeners first. Yes, when you become a better listener, you start to hear the natural flow of English, how words are spoken, how emotions are expressed, and how sentences are formed. Good listeners observe the language. They learn faster, speak more clearly, and build confidence without even realizing it. So, today we will explore what real listening means, why it's more powerful than just hearing, how being good listener helps you understand English deeply, and how you can train yourself to listen better every day. So sit back, relax, and let's have a heart to heart about the quiet skill that could make all the difference in your English journey. So, what real listening actually means? Let's start here because most people think listening is just keeping quiet while someone else speaks. But that's only the surface. Real listening means being present, not just present with your ears, but with your mind, your eyes, your heart. It means being fully there with the person in front of you or the voice you are hearing. Listening is an act of connection. It's not passive, it's active, it's respectful, it's generous. When someone listens to you, really listens, you feel seen, you feel heard, you feel understood. And the beautiful part, when you become the kind of listener, you give the gift to others too. Let's clear something up. Listening is not the same as hearing. Hearing is automatic. You hear the sounds around you, birds, car, people talking in the background. But listening is choice. It's intentional. It means focusing, understanding, and caring. In English learning, this is the biggest mistake learners make. They think listening is just playing a video in the background, but that's just hearing. Real learning happens when you listen with attention, when you are curious about how words are pronounced, when you pause and repeat what you hear, when you notice how emotions are expressed through tone. The difference is huge. How listening helps you learn English faster. Now let's get into something really important for you. How listening helps you speak better English. You might think, I need to speak more to improve. Yes, that's true. But what comes before speaking? Listening. Always listening. Think about how a baby learns to speak. Do they start with reading grammar books? No. They spend months, even years, just listening. And then slowly they start to speak. It's the same with you. When you listen actively to English, you learn the correct pronunciation naturally. You hear how native speakers form sentences. You pick up on intonation, emotion, and rhythm. You absorb grammar rules without even realizing it. You don't just learn English, you feel it. Good listener don't need to memorize long word lists because they hear those words used in real situations. That's how they remember. And most importantly, good listeners become confident speakers because their brain already knows how English sounds. Now, here is a question I want you to ask yourself honestly. When you listen to an English podcast or watch a video, are you really listening or just hearing? Are you checking your phone at the same time, letting the words play while your mind is somewhere else, skipping parts when you don't understand? If yes, don't worry, you are not alone. But here is your opportunity starting today. Choose to become an active listener. When you notice a new word, stop, say it aloud, feel how your tongue moves. When you hear emotion in someone's voice, listen to the tone, the pauses, the energy. The more deeply you listen, the more deeply you learn. Let's take a small step away from language and go a little deeper into the heart. Listening doesn't just help you learn English, it also helps you grow as a person. You know why? Because when you listen, truly listen, you begin to understand people better. You stop jumping to conclusions. You start feeling what the other person is going through. That's called emotional intelligence. The ability to understand, manage, and express emotions effectively. Good listeners don't just hear words, they hear feelings behind the words. And this skill, it's powerful. Listening creates peace inside and outside also. In today's world, everyone is talking. Social media, news, notification, noise. But who is real listening? The world is full of voices, but not enough silence, not enough stillness. When you become a good listener, you create peace, not just in your relationships, but inside yourself. Have you ever noticed how calm you feel when someone listens to you with care? That's the gift you can give others. And when you listen without reacting quickly, without judging, you create space for understanding, for kindness, and for growth. And inside you, that stillness helps you think clearly, speak with intention, and feel more balanced. Good listening is not just a language skill, it's a life skill that brings peace wherever it goes. Let's talk about how you can become a better listener, especially if you are learning English. Here are some simple, powerful tips that work. 1. Listen every single day. Even 10 minutes of focused listening can change everything. Podcast, audiobooks, YouTube videos. Choose something interesting and listen actively. 2. Repeat what you hear. Don't just listen, speak it out loud. Repeat a sentence you hear. Try to copy the tone and emotion. 3. Don't rush to respond. Whether you are talking to someone or watching a video, don't focus on your reply. Just observe. Let the meaning sink in. 4th, listen with your eyes. Watch people's expressions, hand movement, and body language. 80% of communication in nonverbal. That helps your brain feel the message more clearly. Fifth, stay curious. If you don't understand something, that's okay. Be curious, not frustrated. Sixth, listen with your heart. This one is special. When someone speaks, try to understand their emotion, their fear, their joy, their pain. That makes you more human, and people will love to speak with you. So, if you remember just one thing from this video, let it be this. Listening is not a small skill, it's your superpower. If you want to grow in life, connect with others, speak English confidently, and live with more understanding and peace, learn to listen with your whole heart. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to slow down and listen. When you do that, everything will start to fall into place. Thank you for spending this time with me. I know you have many videos to choose from, and I feel so grateful that you choose this one. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Story Days. And let me know in the comments. What's one thing you are going to do today to become a better listener? Remember, your voice matters, but so does your silence. Keep learning, keep growing, keep listening. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.